Guys, it's A-Freak here, and I'm doing an epic suicide. First, you're going to take a Gatorade, the smallest. You're going to want to put it into this. Not too much. And then next, you're going to want to take this to make it like, sugary, bubbly. You're going to want to take this and put it in there. Not too much. And then you're going to want to take some gummy bears. See, gummy bears. And then you're going to want to take some more Lego candy. And then you're going to want to put a tad bit of this in. Ooh. Then you're gonna shake it. You're gonna try, man. You know what? Screw it. Screw it! That's gross. That's so gross. Oh, it's so freaking gross. It smells awful. Ew. Ew. Reaching for the gummy bears. A day later, Alex is now dead. May we rest in his peace of hyperness.